Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So this is live price prediction of Cardano, and today the price is increasing. So definitely, my friend, our prediction is totally going to be positive now. But how and my friends, what we need to do in the same time, everything I will going to completely discuss you, and especially my brother. I have something very special news for all of you now, so kindly must watch this video completely to understand better now. As you can see, my brother, this time I already opened it the last 3 days chart, and this time, as you can see here, in last 3 days 14.37% this coin will be get a profit, and you everybody know this, my friends, to Cardano in those days, especially on the trending. So therefore, if you check out my previous video about Cardano, so definitely the price is just in only 2.6 USD dollar, but today the price jumped to 2.8 USD dollar. So that's clear, my brothers, so the price is increasing, and I hope tomorrow they will easily hit now 3 USD dollar if they will moving and the same speed now. So this is possible, my friends, because the holders, the pupils are starting investing more and more in Cardano. So therefore, I'm 100% sure, and I expect from Cardano to they will easily hit now 3 USD dollar. So kindly holder, if you also, my friend, and if you have any plan to invest more, so I think this is very good time, because everybody know this, to the last 10 days of every month every coin will moving upward. So therefore I am 100% sure, my brothers, to the Cardano price will increasing more and more in upcoming days. So why are you waiting? Kindly hold, invest more, and definitely if you have any plan to sales, and then you are doing very huge mistake in the same time, because the price is very high. As you can see here, 2.85 USD, everybody know this, but there is 100% chance to the price will more increase now. So why are you selling? If you starting selling, so definitely, my brothers, you are doing very huge mistake. Kindly be safe from the loss, and absolutely, if you just only hold for 5 to 6 days, I am 100% sure they will give you a very huge profit now. So thanks for watching, holder. Hope you understand to my prediction is totally going to be positive now, and my opinion is to please hold, don't sell. And what's your opinion? Share it in a comment box.